The type of person that would be interested in this programme are those that have got aspirations to work in elite performance sport, those that are currently working in the industry and those that have been working in the industry for numerous years. We are open to diverse practitioners across the sports performance landscape, to anyone who's looking to develop a deeper understanding of their environment and their role.
The Prof Doc is aimed at the next generation of practice leaders across performance domains. We have people on our cohorts from sport, from business, from military, from consultancy, from education. The programme offers candidates an opportunity to critically think about their professional development and practice and work within a community of colleagues and collaborators across different domains and different contexts.
My motivation for getting involved in doing this programme is that I wasn't finding what I needed to help advance my practice in my job. The programme itself is designed from the very get-go to have you not doing assignments and exercises for the sake of it, but always trying to ground that in your why or your rationale. It constantly brings you back to, why am I doing this? I'm not doing it just for the sake of it, I'm doing it to try and change practice.
The programme will allow them to translate practice into theory and theory into practice in a manner that allows them to bolt the two, their study and their professional world, together. This course is part-time and online to allow for students globally to access the programme and to navigate part-time study with their professional commitments in a manner that allows them to maximise both.
My studies have directly aligned to my role. We're going through a process of change in the Football Association of Ireland. We have changed from coach education to coach development. We have changed from a competency model to an expertise model. And within that, the MSc Masters has helped me research expertise, it's helped me research learning theories, it's helped me research all the evidence that suggests that an expertise model is better and more impactful to the coaches. I've been able to bring to life some of the research I've taken from the course, and we have implemented it in coach development here.
A big impact from our experience from a Football Association of Ireland perspective. We recently launched our Football Pathways plan, and a key part of that plan is it's a whole game plan, and we want to impact and develop the game widely. So being involved in a professional doctorate allows you to develop the skills to know what you need to do in terms of gathering information, getting data, researching that data, critiquing it, evaluating it, and then having some clear actions that come out of it. So the professional doctorate has not only just helped me in my academic developments, it's also helped me in my professional developments.
I think the biggest outcome of the professional doctorate is the opportunity to engage in research that is a real applied focus that impacts practice. The best thing that we get from our candidates is that they talk about that impact happening from early on in the programme, through the modules and through the collaborations that they make as they progress through the course.